Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you trying to turn on the Microsoft Vulnerable Driver Blocklist option grayed out in Windows Security, but the option is completely grayed out or not showing at all? You are not alone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Vulnerable Driver Blocklist grayed out issue in both Windows 11 and Windows 10, so you can fully secure your PC. Let's get started. The most common reason you cannot turn on the Vulnerable Driver Blocklist is a corrupted registry value. Here is how to fix it. First, click on the Start menu, type regedit. When Registry Editor appears, click on it, click on Yes. Now double-click on HKey Local Machine, System, CurrentControlSet, Control CI config. Once you are in the config folder, look at the right side. You will see a file named Vulnerable Driver Blocklist Enable. Double-click on it and change the value data from 0 to 1. Click OK. This forces Windows to enable the feature. If the option is still missing or disabled, it might be blocked by your local group policy. Click on the Start menu, type gpedit. When Group Policy Editor appears, click on it. Go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Device Guard. On the right side, look for Turn on Virtualization Based Security. Double-click it. Make sure it is set to Not Configured or Enabled. If it was disabled, that was causing your core isolation settings to be grayed out. If the Microsoft Vulnerable Driver Blocklist is not showing, it could be because you have Smart App Control turned on or you are using a third-party antivirus like Avast, McAfee or Norton. Smart App Control automatically manages this blocklist, which is why the toggle grays out. Also, third-party antiviruses often disable Windows security features to take control. Try temporarily disabling your third-party antivirus to see if the toggle comes back. After trying these steps, restart your computer and open Windows Security. Your Vulnerable Driver Blocklist should now be active and working perfectly. If this video helped you fix the problem, please drop a like, leave a comment saying it worked, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.